Yeah, we were looking for a cost-efficient solution to reduce our energy costs, and we just wanted something that's good for the environment, and we've been looking into solar.
We chose Solar Optimum because we knew we wanted to have the Panasonic panels, but also we were looking for a good value, and they offered us both.
We have the Panasonic panels and the N-phase inverters.
Solar Optimum was much more not pushy people. They were like more friendly, giving us the clear guidelines and understanding of the why you need, where you can do what you need, what minimum system you need on it.
I would definitely refer Solar Optimum to friends and family because they gave us great customer service, and the value on the panels were good.
The reason why I would choose Solar Optimum is recently a lot of my neighbors decided to join their service. They're extremely happy with the products and service. Based on with a lot of other solar companies, I think they basically offer a lot more value than other companies are able to. From my understanding, their warranty is very strong.